Hi guys, let's get down to trading session. Today we are gonna open $500 position on a 1 minute time frame. All the currency pairs with the highest payout rate have been picked. And basically we are gonna use the following indicators. The first one is the stochastic and the next one is the Kelton channel. They work perfectly in combination, guys. I know many people who use this strategy and generally it brings them a good profit. The main signals for position entry are gonna be the crossing of the overbought or oversold zones. Let's set the overbought zone to 70 and the oversold 30. And basically our goal is to make a good profit today. So let's get started and find the better currency pair. Well, and let's watch. We are interested in the highest payout rate. We will play out the Kelton channel and let's open a long position here without thinking twice. This is a good position entry. We observe the uptrend on the chart. We see that the stochastic is currently at the bottom in the oversold zone, and in theory we are gonna see its reversal and further movement to the upside. Also there is the uptrend here. We see this tiny correction. There was a good correction in this zone, the touch of the middle line of the channel, and it indicates that the correction seems to be over and the price will go upwards. That's why we opened the long position. The crossing did happen and I'm expecting to see a good breakout by the end of our position, and it seems gonna be closed in profits. And there we go, the first position has been closed in profits. Like I said, we've seen a nice breakout at the end, exactly as I predicted, guys. So let's find the next currency pair and let's carry on the trading session. Look, the price started going down here. Well, let's check out the other currency pair. So here we open a short position. I'll select the workspace and take a look at the stochastic, guys. This is the first movement, the second one and the third. These are the peaks according to the stochastic, and in theory we are gonna see the reversal and it will go into correction after this pullback. While having the downward dynamics, it looks very probable. There was the updating of the local highs and the price should go downwards. So there was a good pullback, the crossing of the overbought zone on the stochastic, and there are literally 15 seconds left before the closing, and I'm fine with the price movement. We see that the volatility is not too high. By the way, we have a perfect position entry level. And we got the second position in profits. So there are no stopping here, and let's find the next currency pair. Let's have a look. Well, we observe the downward dynamics. Let's check out the support zone. Here is the low, and basically we can conclude that the price should go lower. That's why we open the short. You know, guys, let's open two more short positions here. I think this is a rational move, because first of all we see the peak on the stochastic, so the price should go lower because the uptrend is downward. There was a small pullback from this level, but the price hasn't entered the channel. At first we opened a short at this level, but this is not safe, to be honest. That's why we opened 2 extra short positions in order to reduce the risk to go into the negative. And basically there are around 5 seconds before the closing of the first position, and let's watch the price movements. And by the way, even the first position end up in profits, and the same goes for the other 2. There are also in profits, and there are almost $14,000 on the balance. Quite good outcome, guys. And let's not drag this out and find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing, guys. I think we should open a long here. I'll point out the workspace. Basically we opened ahead of the market. If we look at the price dynamics, the breakdown of the support level did happen, and we already saw a massive correction here. And basically if we consider this area, then this is perfect correction, so we play ahead of the market and we release that the price has to bounce off and start going up. That's why we open a long position, considering that we own a 1 minute time frame. Because the price can go lower in the short term down to its support zone. That's why it's more permitting to open a 1 minute time frame. That's why our position is in the profits again, guys. Have a look, guys. There is high volatility. That's why on 1 minute time frame is better here, and there is the inception of the red candle, which isn't a bullish signal. That's why we open a 1 minute time position when using this strategy. And basically let's change the currency pair and continue analyzing, and we are gonna find the better trade entry. Let's look for it here. There were no crossing so far. So is it worth playing ahead of the market? Well, let's open 2 extra position. Actually we released that the stochastic is stuck in the oversold zone and it's high time to break out. By the way, there was a nice correction here. In addition, we can point out the support zone. The price was rejected from it and a small accumulation zone has been formed. And basically after this huge correction, by the way, there was the upper dynamics, the uptrend, and now the price should continue moving upwards. That's why we opened our long position. By the way, look at this massive pump. The stochastic almost reached the overbought zone, so the position entry was calculated perfectly. And all the position have been closed in profits. Good job, guys. I like these movements, and we got really good profit on the balance. And let's open a few more positions and find the next currency pair. We are looking for the most profitable payout rate. By the way, we can observe a nice touch of the support zone here. Let's open a long, guys, but if the price goes lower, we will open 2 more positions. And let's open 2 more long positions here, and let's point out the workspace. Very promising position entry, guys. There is a touch of the support zone. I'm expecting to see the rebound as it happened here. Also, there was a nice correction here. We see the downtrend on the chart and we are gonna play out the pullback, but still the price is gonna hold at this level for a while because the stochastic is at the bottom, the moving average at the level 10. In theory, a little rebound to cement here, that's why we open our long position. The first one ended up at loose. Unfortunately, we are a little late, but the breakout has already happened. The support zone played out perfectly, but the other two positions have been closed in profits, and there are $16,000 on the balance, and I guess we open two more positions, and then we fix the profit. So, let's find another currency pair. Let's continue analyzing and have a look at this. We see the touch of the support zone, the price kind of going sideways. I think we should slow down here. By the way, the payout rate is not good. Okay, what do we got here? Actually, we are a little late here. It would be perfect if we opened when the candle was here, and I guess we are gonna hold off opening here. However, let's open a long position and we will open a few additional positions if we consider it's necessary. And let's do this, guys. Not the best level, so the price is going lower. And let's open two more positions here and let's have a look, guys. I'll point out the workspace. The upward dynamics prevails here. The stochastic is not the overbought zone yet. So in theory, while having the upward dynamics, the price is gonna go upwards. We observe this great correction in this area. Then there was the upward dynamics, the updating of the local high didn't happen. And then there was another correction, after which I'm expecting to see the price going upwards. And if you look at the stochastic, it's too early for the reversal, so we have the space for growth. I think the position was opened correctly, and the first position ended up at loose, which was expected. The next ones have been closed in profits, and there are two final positions left. And let's wait for the outcome. And there we go, guys. The final position are in profits. We got $17,000 on the balance. I am happy with this trading session. This is as far as it goes. Don't be afraid of using principle of martingale. So open extra position if you missed the desired level of position entry, and try to find the currency pair that got medium volatility if you don't wanna end up at loose, guys. And let's move on withdrawal. Let's withdraw, I guess, 7,400 dollars and press the continue button. I'll attach the screen where it's done as usual, guys. And in the next video I am gonna open a $1,000 position, and I wanna show you that sometimes such risks are justified. So thank you guys for watching, like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave the comments down below. Good luck in trading, bye bye.